Perplexity have just reinvented shopping with their digital try-on avatar. And I'm going to set up mine before your very eyes and see what all the fuss is about. You can take a photo of yourself, and when you're shopping, you can personalize, I think it is. But you can set up your avatar of you, and then when you're shopping on any website, it uses the photos of the clothes and all the rest of it. This is probably going to fail now, thinking about take a photo, take a selfie, no glasses or a hat. Let's get rid of those. Looking forward, even natural light, no harsh shadows. So what do you think? That's pretty good, isn't it? Because I'm on camera. Camera's not available for Mac. I thought this might be the case, so I'm just going to stop that. Okay. Use photo. Take full body photo. Okay. Is there a timer thing for this? Full body, just use simple environment, looking forward, even natural light, no harsh shadows. How can you do that? They need a timer. Is there a timer here? All right, let's try it in the mirror. I don't know how. Use photo. Look at this, huh? Uploading and generating. Okay, can you see this? It's just put me in a white t-shirt with my phone. Okay, your virtual avatar. Great. Done. Share. Perplexity. Is that something I do in Perplexity? ASOS. Shopping. Maybe this is it. Okay. This looks good. Let's put me in this dress. If I can. Yeah, I'm not too sure. Okay, well maybe I'll need to do a bit more research. I thought I would get like a special option or something like this to like say try it on, but okay, so editing Sam here. Basically a really weird feature that they'll probably fix is the issue that it was because I was trying on girls' clothes. So if I was to put like, I don't know, Carhartt. Okay, we'll try an old search. So shopping appears here. When you click on it, you've got this new try on button and it generates me in that pair of jeans. So yeah, that's it. Apparently it's supposed to help, like it knows the stretches and all this sort of lot based on your avatar that you've uploaded. So apparently Google have offered their own feature, but it's pretty cool. Like I think this is, I don't know, buying stuff online is a bit of a pain. I don't think it's going to replace, like I recently bought a bunch of stuff from Primark and learned that Primark clothes, whether you have Primark in your country, I don't know, Primark clothes are like super small on me. Like even though the inches are the correct size, everything came up small, so I'm having to take it all back. Shopping online is notoriously difficult, you know, or you have to just buy all of the sizes and then try it on and then return everything else, and it's just such a waste of energy. This could alleviate that. This could alleviate having to do all that sort of stuff, you know. So I'm here for it. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.